Hello students, good morning and welcome to ISSO Olympiad class. So I have already discussed with you history, all the chapters up to chapter 8, and today I am going to start geography part. This is the first geography part, but it is chapter 9, Earth and our environment. So, the first question is, which of the following is not an example of natural ecosystem? Which one of the following is not an example of natural ecosystem? Options are desert, aquarium, forest and pond. So answer is aquarium. Why it is aquarium? Because aquarium is a man-made ecosystem, but desert, forest and pond is natural ecosystem. Now the next question number 2. Which of the following is not a component of human environment? Options are living things, next option religion, next option family and the last option community. Which of the following is not a component of human environment? Here answer is number A. Number A is the correct answer. Living things. Actually, living things are component of natural environment. Okay, but rest of the options are human environment. Next question number 3. Which of the following is a component of human-made environment? Mountain, sea, bridge, and air. So here answer is number C. Okay, bridge is human-made environment because mountain, sea and air are components of natural environment. Now next question number 4. Dash is a threat to environment. Which is a threat to environment? Growing plants, increasing in human population, caring for animals, all of these. Answer B is the correct. Increase in human population. So, due to increase in human population, the burden on environment is increasing. That is why it is a component of, that is why it is a threat to environment. Next question number 5. When the molten magma cools down, the rock thus formed is called dash. So when the molten magma cools down, after that which rocks has formed, what is the name of that rock? Igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic or all of these? Answer is igneous. Okay, answer A. Igneous rocks are formed when molten magma cools down and solidifies. Now the next question number 6. The innermost layer of the earth is called, this is very common and easy question. So options are crust, core, mantle and lithosphere. So 6, the correct answer is number B, that is core. The core lies between the mantle and it is very hot and dense part of the earth. Now the next question number 7. The main mineral constituent of the continental mass are options silica and iron, silica and alumina, magnesium and copper, copper and iron. So answer B is correct, that is Cl, silica and alumina. Now question number 8. Dash are the rocks which contain fossils. Options are sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rocks, igneous rock, none of these. So the correct answer is number A, that is sedimentary rocks. Okay. Sedimentary rocks actually contain fossils of plants, animals, and other microorganisms that once lived on the earth. Now question number 9. Which is the thinnest layer of the earth? Crust, mantle, core, or none of these? Answer is number A, crust. Crust is the thinnest and outermost layer of the earth. Now the next question, question number 10. Which of the following is not formed due to the erosion of the sea waves? Options are cliff, sea cave, stacks, beach. Correct answer is number D, it is beach. Beaches are formed due to deposition of sediments along the shores by the sea waves. Now my next question, question number 11. Dash is the depositional feature of a glacier. Options are footplain, beach, moraine, or rivers. The correct answer is number C, that is moraine. Next question, number 12. Which of the following is an example of endogenic force that causes Earth's movement? Options are eruption of volcano, river, wind, glacier. So number A, the correct answer, eruption of volcano. So the forces which act in the interior of the earth are called as endogenic forces. Endogenic forces. Eruption of volcano is an example of endogenic force, whereas river, wind, and glacier are examples of exogenic forces. Okay, so one is endogenic forces and another is which actually force where river can actually grown up from the river, wind, and glacier. Those are the exogenic forces. Now my next question, question number 13. We can found mushroom rocks in dash. Deltas, options are deltas, deserts, river valleys, or beaches. Answer B is the correct. Mushroom rock is formed due to erosion by wind and it is found in deserts. Okay, now I'm going to discuss the another questions. These are the question number, suppose 17. What is the average radius of the mantle? Options 2000 km, 4200 km, 3400 km, or 2900 km. So the correct answer is number D, that is 2900 km. Now my next question is 19. Select the incorrect match. Stromboli volcano is it in Italy? Mount Kilimanjaro, Africa, Mount Vesuvius, Indonesia, and Mount Fuji, Japan. Which is the incorrect? 19, number C is incorrect because Mount Vesuvius is a volcano in Italy. Now the question number 20. Select the incorrect statement. The Earth's crust is called lithosphere. Next option, the forces which originate on the surface of the earth are called exogenic forces. Next, number C, the forces which originate from within the earth are called endogenic forces. And the last is none of these. So question number 20, answer correct is number D, none of these. Okay, that means all are correct. Next, we go to some achiever section HOTS question. Two matchings are there, so I am discussing with you the 22nd number matching. Match the columns, select the correct option. Column 1, column 2. Column 1, number A, core. Column 2, number 1 is sedimentary rock. Column 1, number B is basalt. Column 2, number 2 is made of silicon and alumina. Column number 1, number C is sandstone. Column 2, number 3 is extrusive igneous rock. Column 1, number D is Sial. Column 2, number 4 is nickel and iron. Now in this way options are given that number A option, A with 2, B with 1, C with 4, D with 3. Next number B option, A with 1, B with 3, C with 2, D with 4. Number C option, A with 4, B with 3, C with 1, D with 2, and the last option, A with 3, B with 4, C with 2, D with 1. So which is the correct option? So here 22nd number question, number C is the correct. Okay. 22nd number C is the correct. That means 1 equal to 4, core with nickel and iron. B equal to 3, basalt with extrusive igneous rock. C with 1, sandstone with sedimentary rock. And D with 2, Sial with the made of silicon and alumina. Okay, so this is the correct answer, option number C. Okay. Here question number 25. It is showing one map. Okay. In the given outline map of the world, identify the volcanoes 1, 2, 3 and 4 and select the correct option. So here you can see the number is given 1, 2, 3, 4. Now where is this volcanoes are situated. So option number A, 1 is Cotopaxi, number 2 is Kilimanjaro, number 3 Rainier, number 4 Fujiyama. Next number B option, number 1 is Kilimanjaro, number 2 Rainier, number 3 Fujiyama, number 4 Cotopaxi. Number C option, first is Rainier, number 2 is Cotopaxi, number 3 is Kilimanjaro, number 4 is Fujiyama. And the last option, number 1 is Fujiyama, number 2 is Kilimanjaro, number 3 is Cotopaxi and number 4 is Rainier. So which is the correct option? Number C is the correct option, that is number 1 is Rainier, number 2 is Cotopaxi, number 3 is Kilimanjaro and number 4 is Fujiyama. So students, this part I have discussion. Okay, so discussion part is complete in chapter 9 and next video I will give you for chapter 10. So till, thank you and goodbye.